So this very popular thing on the market now is the soap to turn the gray back into black, or into the color that your hair was originally, whether it's beard or your hair and all that. So let's try that out. Let's see what happens. All right, how you doing? How you doing? No, how you're doing. Welcome back to another video, people. The Presidente here once again. And today we are talking about the Spartan soap wash restore dealy, right? This thing. It's in the plastic right now. I didn't want to take it out. So if you are on Facebook and all this other social media, chances are you've seen it. They're pushing it. They're talking about it. They're having these interviews and all that. So I figured out, sure, why not? That's a good product to try on my beard in particular, right? Why not? So I tried it. So I try to order directly from them, and both a debit card and a credit card. When I tried to order it from the site, the banks flagged it. So that was kind of a red flag, right? No pun intended. So yeah, so the banks rejected the transaction. It didn't go through. And I said, well, if it's that popular, it's probably on Amazon. And went on Amazon, and sure enough, there it was, you know, Spartan this, Spartan that, and different products. And so I ordered the one that I believe that Amazon recommended. Well, when I got it in, and I ordered 2 of these, same color box, the whole thing, right? But let's see if you can see it there. I know it's a little bright. I'm trying to get in the sunshine so y'all can see the color of my beard and all that. Anyway, so gray hair, darkened bar, the darkened bar. But same coloring, same type of box, same type of soap, but it has a different name. It's like a knockoff. Sure enough, made in China. So will it work? Who knows? I bought it already, so I'm going to try it. This one is called Oho. Wooho. Oh, woohoo. Whatever. So here it goes. But that's red flag number 2, right? So it didn't come with the box saying Spartan on it. It came with something else, some knockoff from China. Who knows? Maybe the original ones come from China too. I don't know. I didn't get that far in my research. Interesting. Anyway, so we're gonna go, and it says, well, let me read to you here. It says 100% natural, gentle, all hair, root, permanent results after 3 weeks. Permanent results after 3 weeks. That's a pretty bold statement, right? So let's see if it's true. Let's see if it's true. And, you know, it is now November, what? 30th? December 1st. So December 1st, and then here, I guess before Christmas, we'll see what happens. Right. Okay, so if you look at this, yeah, it's pretty gray, right? White down here, gray the rest, there's some gray on the sides, a little bit on the top. So we're going to try this soap out and see what happens. This is probably like day 2 of me using it. It's really no change, but I forgot to do it the very first day. So that's just for comparison. Day 1, I guess, or day 3, 2, 3, whatever it was. I said, damn it. Okay, so roughly a week after starting with that soap. Today is December 8th. So yeah, no real changes that I can tell. I'd have to look at the other video, see, but week 1. Okay, so it's December 14th. It's been 2 weeks since I started with it. Honestly, I can't tell the difference, but I would have to look at, you know, Tiger. 1 week to go. We'll see. All right, so it's December 21st, so 3 weeks according to the box. I should see more black, more dark. I don't know. Can't really tell the difference for me. I'll have to go back and look at the other pictures, but the soap bar disintegrated this morning anyway, so barely lasted the 3 weeks that I was called for. So we'll see. Okay, so then 3 weeks gone, and what's the deals, like my buddy would say? Well, I can't really tell any difference. Now, I did notice that in the latest advertising from Spartan, they've changed the time frame to 60 days. 60 days to start seeing results. That's a far cry from, 3 weeks or 21 days. I don't know if it's a ploy to sell more soap, or maybe they just weren't getting the results that they had claimed to begin with, or maybe this one, right, that I got, that I think is just a knockoff of the original, from when I bought it, thinking it was the original. Maybe they were the ones that were making the claim. Who knows? I do have a full bar of soap that I'm going to use. I'm going to just use it till it disintegrates like the other one did this morning. And if there's any change in the next 3 weeks, because I'm just going to use it till it runs out, I will post an update in the comments below. Other than that, I don't know what to tell you. I guess it's kind of a fail. At least for the 3 week claim that this box had on it for this particular product. The what was it called? Oho or whatever. Oho. I don't know if it will focus on it enough or not, but I'll put a picture of it at the end before the memes so you can see it. Anyhow, that is really it. Like I said, I used it every day, once a day, whenever I showered. If I happened to shower twice, I used it twice, but that was it. So 21 days of using it, from the 1st of December through the 21st of December. I used it, and well, there you go. So I don't know, I gotta trim it now before Christmas. Get a little scraggly a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, all right. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said, I will post an update, whether it was good or bad as far as changing. And I guess if it gets darker, you'll notice in the future videos. But that is it for me. Check out the memes, like and subscribe. Take care.